How to chat with Amazon Australia customer support on mobile. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to chat with Amazon Australia customer support using your mobile device. Whether you have questions about your order, need help with a return, or anything else, this tutorial will help you reach support in just a few taps. First, open the Amazon Australia app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your account to access customer support features. Next, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines, also known as hamburger menu, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap it to open the main menu. Scroll down to the menu options and tap on Customer Service. This will take you to Amazon's Help and Support section. Here you'll see a list of common help topics such as where's my stuff or returns and refunds. Tap the one that matches your issue to proceed. Once you've selected a topic, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the Chat with Us option. Tap it to begin a support conversation. A chat box will greet you and try to help based on the issue you selected. You can type your message, or if needed, just write "Talk to an agent" to speak with a live support representative. If chatting doesn't resolve your issue, do not worry. From the same screen, you can also request a call back or choose to email support for further assistance. That's it. You now know how to reach Amazon Australia customer support through chat on your mobile device. Thanks for following along and happy shopping.